Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good and driving safely. Today is with me rubber mat for Mitsubishi Pajero and Montero. It's made for 2007 to 2023 models and it's very heavy duty and washable, flexible, everything is there included this package. And it has it comes with the 5 mats actually. So these two is front, this is the back sides, and this is the middle part. As you can see, this is the thickness of the rubber. Actually this is made from rubber and PVC material. As you can see, there is a big thread, the tray over here, and it is non-slippery. Why? Because in the bottom you can see there is a rubberized nibs, so after you install to your car, the floor it doesn't move, it's really stick with your the floor of your car. And you can see the logo is written there. The Pajero is a very big logo. Actually it's give you nice look to your interior for your car. This is very flexible and easy installations you can do. This one can use any kind of weather, especially like a UAE. It doesn't give even the smell if it is rubber, and for the heat it's really worth. This is once you can do whenever you can use for the desert, sand, camping, mud, for the rain. After you use it, you can go for the car wash, or you can go for service, or you do it yourself. Put some shampoo and wash it, and once you wash it, it comes back to the same like a new. That's the best part for it. Let me show you how it is installed after my car. How then, if you have any comments, you can put in my YouTube. Thank you so much.